Polygons in nature. Hello everyone, I'm Maureen. Some of you might know me already. Triangles. Triangles have three sides, which makes it a polygon. Here we have a cucumber slice, and in the middle we can see a triangle. Here is a conifer tree, and it's also the shape of a triangle. A flower. Here we have the triangle moth, which is formerly of the Noctuid family. Quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals have four sides, and they can be regular quadrilaterals or irregular quadrilaterals. So here we have a bridge with a trapezoid shape on it and a rhombus. Here we have Table Mountain again with a trapezoid. Bricks can be rectangles. Another bridge that uses triangles and rectangles. A pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides. Here we have a soccer ball, which the fabric is cut into a pentagon. We have the Pentagon, which is the headquarters of the United States Department of Defense and is located in Washington, D.C. Here you can see all the shapes that have been used to create this pentagon. There are rectangles and kites. Hexagon. Hexagons have 6 sides. Here we have beeswax. The soccer ball, where the different parts are using a different shape again. Here is a pentagon being used and a hexagon. Hexagons can be used in architecture of homes. Our pencils are shaped like hexagons. And the glucose molecule looks like a hexagon. Glucose is sugar. Heptagon. Heptagons have 7 sides. Here we have a Zambian coin, which was used that had 7 sides and even had the year's calendar on the back. And here is a window with 7 sides. Octagon. Octagon is an 8-sided figure. Here we have a stop sign that has 8 sides, a trampoline that has 8 sides. Here we have a steering wheel that has 8 sides to it. Imagine driving a car with an 8-sided steering wheel. Nonagon, which means it has 9 sides. Here's a 50-cent coin from South Africa that has 9 sides. Here we have megaphones that are made out of wood that people have used to sit inside, and it amplifies the sounds of the nature around it in the forests. Decagon means 10 sides. Here we have 10 denaries, which is an Algerian coin. We have a party plate that has 10 sides. And we have a starfish, which is an irregular decagon.